If your toilet is blocked, plunging can be a really effective solution. If you're wondering what's caused the block, wipes and nappies, period products, and other non-flushable items can cause blockages, so please don't flush these items. There could also be a block in your main drains. Before you start, please wear protective gloves and put some old towels on the floor around the toilet, just in case anything spills. If you don't have a plunger, you can buy one at any homeware store. The longer the handle, the better. Put the plunger over the hole in the toilet, making sure you have a good seal around the edge of the plunger. Then, push the plunger up and down quickly. Make sure to keep the plunger under the water level and lift it only an inch or so on every upstroke. Remember that a blocked toilet will overflow if it's flushed. As a rough guide, the pan can hold the same amount of water as the cistern, so if the pan is already full, it will need plunging before you try to flush it again. Otherwise, it will overflow. If the toilet starts to drain away after plunging, try flushing the cistern while plunging at the same time. If the water clears away as normal, the problem should be fixed. If it's still slow to drain, repeat this process again. If plunging hasn't helped, give us a call and we'll arrange a repair.